Manually finding prospects, validating their contact information, researching those prospects, and writing icebreaker emails is killing your productivity. And all that work still gets you low response rates. But what if all of that could happen automatically? And leverage AI to create hyper-personalized emails that actually get replies. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build the ultimate email outreach workflow in N8n. It takes leads from a list, validates and enriches their contact information with Wiza, researches them with AI, and sends personalized cold emails. By the end of the video, you'll have a smarter, faster, and fully automated outreach system running on autopilot. And to make things even easier, you can get this entire workflow for free to copy into your N8n workspace. Let me show you what this looks like in action. Here's a database with my lead lists. The moment I add a new LinkedIn URL for my prospect, the workflow instantly triggers. First, it checks if there's a valid email. If not, Wiza finds and validates the correct one so we're not wasting time on emails that'll bounce. Next, it enriches the lead, pulling their job title, company details, and location, and hands that context to an AI agent to research. Here's the cool part. The AI agent uses Perplexity to research the company in real time. It looks up one of our case studies for proof, and then OpenAI generates a hyper-personalized cold email with a unique icebreaker. Then it creates an email draft that you can approve and send to the prospect. Instead of bouncing between LinkedIn, Hunter, ChatGPT, and Gmail, we've turned this into one smooth automation. New leads come in, and personalized emails are immediately sent, fully automated. Now, let's walk you through the nodes so you can understand how it works so you can build this yourself or easily swap out the nodes. Whenever I add a new lead with the form, the workflow kicks off again. First, Wiza Email Finder runs to validate or discover their correct email. If nothing new is found, the lead just gets filtered out and we don't waste any time. The Wiza node is the secret sauce in this workflow. It's the API that not only validates a correct email so your emails don't bounce, but it's also going to fully enrich the lead with so much more data, including company, LinkedIn, and contact information. Then the workflow logs the email status back into the sheet and enriches the contact record. From there, it organizes the lead's details, name, title, company, location, and adds any business context I want to pass along, like our offer and positioning. Next, an AI research agent takes over. It runs a quick SWOT analysis using Perplexity and OpenAI to surface strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities, as well as threats to the company. And then that context is handed off to the Icebreaker generator. The AI then crafts a short, punchy opener and a subject line, and the output parser makes sure that it's clean and ready to go. From there, it drafts your hyper-personalized email to the lead. So what does this mean? Campaigns are created and tracked automatically. Emails are validated or discovered with Wiza. Leads enriched with real research. Icebreakers written by AI. This turns what used to be hours of manual work into one smooth automated system running inside N8n. All of this can be swapped with tools that you already use. The logic stays the same, but the exact tools and templates can be swapped out to fit your needs. If you want to grab the full workflow template and start automating your outreach, the link is in the description. You'll also find a link to the Wiza API Key that powers this whole workflow. And if you're ready to take this even further, in the next video, we'll build on top of this system to create a full AI SDR that prospects for you. It creates and updates your entire lead list, sends personalized icebreaker emails, and sends automatic follow-ups. Click the screen and watch the video, or go to the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.